So we have three stocks are bumping. We're gonna discuss where you buy, where you sell, so you can make money. And the other two stocks we're gonna talk about, they are sleeping, is ready to squeeze. We're gonna discuss those two stocks where they will bump as well, so we could enter and exit with a nice profit. So this is the hunter game that we have always here on our hunter channel. So let's get right to it. So first stock we have is BOXD. So this one bumping 50% today. You know why? Because we overcome the resistance around the $1.88. If we go in a smaller picture, you see that we already have a test and 3 1-hour candle forming. So we need to hold $1.88. If we held it, we're gonna see this reaction. Okay, we might see a bit of turbulence around the $3. We might see a rejection, go retest around the $1.88, then around this area, the $4.80. So this is the potential short-term squeeze after we overcome the $3. Of course, we'll be near the $5 because we have our exponential average will coil down here and will act as a resistance. In the meantime, we need to hold this important support, which is the $1.88, to confirm the continuation for the $3 and the $4.80. Next up, we have REV. This one pumped 42%. You know why? Because we overcome this big picture. Look at the big picture. We have this descending line, and the price right now finally overcome this ascending line. Yesterday we bumped, and at the moment we already tested the $10 and the price went down. So we have a current price resistance around the $10 to confirm that we still will bump around the $13.82, because this is the short-term like resistance or profit taken is holding above the $6.45. This is will confirm the price will continue to go up. Let me go in 1-hour chart. You see this accumulation phase happening below our resistance. This is normal. There's a big selling pressure or short heavily positioned and shorting the stock around the $10 because it's psychological level. If we held, if even we have a bit of sell-off, we need to hold above the $6.40 or the $7 and accumulate. Then we're gonna have a test for the $13.80. Great news for our trader and hunters. We have a limited time offer to win up to 10 free stock with my exclusive link in comment section below. One of them is Apple, of course, and here the other stock that you could win: Tesla, Google, Fuel Energy, AMC. At the end of this month, the offer will be over. And how can you get those free stocks? It's pretty simple. First, you have to open a brokerage account on Momo, and second, you deposit $100 in order to get a stock value between $8 up to $2,500. So use this opportunity to get a free share of Apple and the other stocks that you could win with my exclusive link in comment section below, or the notification will pop up here, will take you directly there. So let's go back. We have Exela went up 50%. You know why? We have Exela just secures new 136 million contract. That's why the price went crazy. However, if we want to confirm the continuation for this bullish momentum, we need to overcome this resistance, the 0.26. You see it at the moment, we have a rejection because we tested our AMA. That's why we got rejected. At the moment, the support is confirmed around the 0.16 cent. So this is the reaction or the pattern that Exela will follow in the few days or even weeks. Even if we get like a drawback in the coming days, we need never going back below the 0.16 to confirm that we still have a momentum to go until the 0.26. We might get rejected here, then the other resistance should be the 0.33 for Exela. So just be careful from this support. This will confirm the squeeze and continuation for Exela to go higher, which is the 0.16, and the first resistance for my opinion is the 0.26, and the 0.33 after we explode from the 26 cent we're gonna do another 30%. Right now we did 50% up. So the other two stocks just ready to squeeze is Mullen, because for Mullen, the moment we held above the resistance, we need to hold above the $1.55 to confirm that Mullen will consolidate, then go for the squeeze area around the $2.16, and again we have our MA coil down around this area. This will be a potential resistance. Just be careful from this resistance that will be tested, and we're gonna have a massive selling pressure like what happened before. If you remember, around the 1st of June, when we predicted the rejection around the $1.55, we said this is the rejection and the support was around the $1. That's why we have the price jumped up, because we held this ascending line. And the pre-market we do daily for Mullen, the other squeeze stocks been requested from us, from a lot of viewers, and we just talk about where the short seller will come and where the buying pressure and massive institution will get in. So we get in, get out, take a profit, and this is how you make money even in downtrending market. So last time, as we said, we have the resistance around the $1.55. Right now is the support. This should be confirmed if we held. And the next time will be the $2.16 is the resistance. Finally, we have Neo is still holding around the 22.50. It's still squeeze area, just watch out, is the 26.30. And we confirm that the 18.40 is our support. Holding above the 20, will confirm the squeeze for MULN toward the 26, and going for the analyst price, as we said in the last video, around the 43. Hopefully that was clear and informative. If you have any question, let me know in comment section below. Hit the notification like button so you never miss any of my future update, because we do daily hunting target for where you enter, when you exit, so in order to make money in downtrend market or in uptrending market. So see you in the next video.